Lesson 3. This, that, chart. What colour's this pencil?
This pencil's black.
What colour's that pencil?
That pencil's white.
Where's this pencil?
This pencil's on the chart.
Where's that pencil?
That pencil's on the wall.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Plural of, etc. What's the plural of book?
The plural of book is books.
What's the plural of clock?
The plural of clock is clocks.
What's the plural of wall?
The plural of wall is walls.
We are, we're. Are we sitting?
Yes, we're sitting.
Where are we sitting?
We're sitting on the chairs.
They are there. Are they standing?
Yes, they're standing.
Where are they standing?
They're standing in front of the house.
We are not. We aren't. Are we standing?
No, we aren't standing. We're sitting.
Are we sitting on the floor?
No, we aren't sitting on the floor. We're sitting on the chairs.
They are not. They aren't. Are they sitting?
No, they aren't sitting. They're standing.
Are they standing behind the house?
No, they aren't standing behind the house. They're standing in front of the house.
Red, blue, yellow, grey. What colour's this pencil?
This pencil's red, blue, etc.
These, those, and. What colour's this pencil?
This pencil's black.
What colour's that pencil?
That pencil's white.
What colour are these pencils?
These pencils are black and green.
What colour are those pencils?
Those pencils are white and brown.
Where are these pencils?
These pencils are on the chart.
Where are those pencils?
Those pencils are on the wall.
What colour are these chairs?
These chairs are red.
What colour are those chairs?
Those chairs are blue.
Men, women, say. What's the plural of man?
The plural of man is men.
What's the plural of woman?
The plural of woman is women.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Clothes. What are these?
These are clothes.
Shoe, boot, sock, trousers, jacket, suit, shirt, tie, hat, bag. What's this?
It's a shoe, boot, etc.
What are these?
These are trousers.
Alphabet, letter. What letter's this?
A, B, etc.
Vowel, consonant. What are these?
These are the 5 vowels.
What are the 5 vowels?
The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U.
Is the letter B a vowel?
No, the letter B isn't a vowel. It's a consonant.
Before, after. Which letters before E?
D's before E.
Which letters after I?
J's after I.
Which letters before Z?
Y's before Z.
Which letters after G?
H's after G.